People love magic. I do too. I've always been fascinated with the supernatural. So when I read J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series in the 3rd and 4th grade, I thought that I was destined to be Hermione Granger in another life. I believe that J.K. Rowling's character, Hermione Granger, from the books and movies Harry Potter that began in 1997, I believe that I'm most like Hermione Granger, that character. I believe that for 3 reasons. 1, Hermione has a true love for learning. 2, she's often skeptical of her surroundings and the things that she's being taught. And 3, she's infinitely loyal to her friends and her family. Hermione's love for learning is something that I've always admired about her. It's interesting to see how she wants to learn outside of her surroundings and outside of her classroom. So we see in book 3 that she takes the opportunity to learn beyond just the classroom by actually taking additional classes using magic. She's also constantly in the library, researching passions, researching things about the wizarding world, which is something she didn't know much previously about. I often like to think that I like to do this too. This upcoming semester, I'm taking an additional class to my course load, floral design, just because I love learning about things and expanding my horizons in that way. Hermione's also often skeptical of her surroundings and the things she's being taught. She has a professor, Professor Trelawney, who teaches a class that Hermione doesn't quite think is real. I often have to question things in my own personal major, which is political science, because when we're being given polls, when we're being given political speeches, and when we're being given different articles, we have to question what we believe and what we believe about it before we accept something as truth or before we write a paper on it. Finally, Hermione has intense loyalty for those around her, for her loved ones, for her friends and her family. We see this in a major way in book 7 and in movies 7 and 8, when she leaves school, something that she loves so much, to go follow her friends as they begin to go on adventures and as they are putting themselves in danger. Hermione leaves something that she loves so much in order to be with her friends. I think that I do this often too. I'll often leave comforts and things that I enjoy to sacrifice things that my friends would want to be doing, or things that when they need help, when they're in desperate situations. Hermione, I really truly believe, has shaped me today. I see the characteristics of her love for learning, her often skepticism that she sees, and her loyalty. I see all those characteristics in my own life, and I can't help but wonder if I learned these things from reading J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series.